Jai Shri Krishna. Hope you're doing very well. In this video we talk about batch processing या batch manufacturing. अब ये होता क्या है, सबसे पहले batch का मतलब समझिए, a quantity और consignment of a goods produced at a one time. ठीक है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बैच. अब बैच प्रोसेसिंग कैसे होती है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैसे होती है, उसका रिकॉर्ड कैसे रखते हैं, इसके बारे में हम जानते हैं. ओके. Documentation that provides the history of a batch from the raw materials dispensing stage to completion of the batch, या फिर उसे हम कहते हैं lot which include dispensing of the raw material. पहला granulation, blending, compression, capsule filling, उसे coating करना, inspection करना, and yield at a different stages. At also include it, there is also something you have to consider, the details of the एक्टिविटी जो आप जानते होंगे, आई क्यू, डी क्यू, पी क्यू, ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं इंस्टॉलेशंस की, उन चीज़ों के बारे में भी इसमें ध्यान दिया जाता है. The detail of the activity performed by whom, checked by whom, at what time activity was performed, at what date activity was performed, and the signature of the personnel involved in the batch activity. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you very much. Hope so you love this video. Bye bye.